morning. Welcome to the Pidgin English School TV. Welcome this morning for our challenge. Baking powder, bicarbonato, and lime. You see, continue the challenge. Check am. How you see am? You know, say as the thing don dey clear. See am, you no dey even see am again like that. So when we start, now for bath, you need to go up. No, just no music now. Don't add the baking powder on top. So we want to start now. Today na the 5th day of lime and baking soda scrub. This thing I must remove am. If I thought I want to do something, I must do it. Now so I do. Okay. So we continue, okay? So that's my face. They clean. No makeup on, sir. Nothing. No makeup. Even my body want to take wash self. The thing, you look nice. So, you don't bath. You don't bath. You don't bath. You don't bath. Oh yeah, you can't go bath. Oh yeah, move start, okay? You know. The 5th day of the challenge, eh? Oh yeah. You need to say now this side I will start because I have to really need the result. Go put am for your eye and not the your eye area. That one, your hands. Now you will take to that one. I will do how you see am. Thank you for this result. The results really dey show. Not feel like you. Okay, I think they don't do. Me, not the waste for where I do. No vex. This one now, I will take and do my armpit. And so go do. You can notice this when they do that armpit self, sweat. Not the two they sweat like that. It just do one kind. I get the way so now. You know the get smell all those things. So we will still look about that one. I be small. I don't enter my mouth. And maybe the you must chop inside now. No more. Okay, so you don't do and finish. Now to go wash out away now, go see how far the results I be. Oh yeah, you don't do. Yeah, go bath, eh? You don't bath. You don't bath. I bet you don't they block me again. No, play small. You don't bath. You never bath, go bath. Nothing they happen. I love all of you now. If you never subscribe to this channel, do subscribe, eh? Okay? This one a happy channel. Then we go for the life, we go to cook, we go see the maintain ourselves because with that maintenance, I need them not be small. So we go to do am for you. The sweet thing say we'll see the video for other people to they motivated to take care of themselves because at times situations they will make us leave ourselves, but we not fit leave ourselves like that. See, so 4 children, you see, everything. Take off yourself, your breath, your body, your face, everywhere. You look beautiful, okay? I love all of you now. Stay strong, okay? Bye bye. Hey, welcome back again. I don't finish the washing, everything off. This is the result of the 5th day challenge. I see, check them out now. The thing, it really they work. The thing where be inside again, say it will just make your face look clean, look shiny, your glow. That is this thing really work, really nice. Yeah, this thing don't they clean small. Don't they clean small. Yeah, they reach it. Don't they clean? Yeah. Just need to wash out everything. I will syrup for my neck after that one. See, so my neck clean. If you use this kind of one, you just finish use and finish. You go meet your see, you go they touch it. What did this one material up today? Safe. That's all the back, all the body look fresh. Hey, oh, the thing fine, they nice. So I dey recommend that small until my 2 weeks. It's still try anyway because the way the thing dey exfoliate and it's very cheap. Okay, it's cheap. Line for market. It not reach 5 cents. We take 1 or 2. Not reach 20. Yes, 20-30 cents more. Not reach line. The cheapest. The baking soda. I bought it in a bar for Campo supermarket for Europe. Not reach anything, very cheap. Baking powder cheap everywhere. If you use them for your own home care, beauty treatment. See, I saw my face clean, look nice. Over some days now, I never use makeup. I don't use makeup like that because of I just want to stay natural. And today use makeup like that because if you do makeup here, that's so they're going to disturb you for roots. So just leave my face down. I have to clean. I will clean my ear, all my neck, everything. Thing look nice. So if you want to start the challenge, if you start, maybe you get pimples, you get discoloration like I get so. See my other face, not be bleach you. They say this one don't dey find one for bleaching. See my other side of my face, e no dey. I sure say na sunburn na im cause am. See am, and so you see this thing now I wan remove from my face. So na my natural face be this. There's nothing I can do about it. Let me suffer the cleaner comot if it go comot. So for the moment, Pidgin English TV go leave una now because I wan go work. I love all of una. If this one is the first time wey you see this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you don't first subscribe before, thank you. If you never bath, go bath too. I love all of una. Bye bye. And the Pidgin English Cook TV. Bye.